My country people, una go talkie, una go dey talkie. Yes, so this is about 10 coming here. You know, this is about 10 coming here. And then, today I'm not exposing a coin or a token to you, but I'm going to give you advice. And this advice will help you and will take you a long way. Please listen to this video from the beginning to the end and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click that red button to subscribe to my YouTube channel and give me a thumbs up for this video and my other videos. Now, what I want to explain to you that, see, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm only telling you what I think and what I'm doing and what I think is good for me to do in crypto industry. Now, let me tell you something. A lot of you are doing things astray. Like you are not doing things the right way you're supposed to do in crypto industry that will fetch you some profits. Now, let me let you know this. Do you know that a lot of tokens are coming out which turns out to be fake tokens? See, let me tell you something. A lot of coins that are coming out, tokens that are coming out now are just fake. Let me just let you know. Are just fake. Are fake. A lot of tokens that are coming out now are fakes. See, let me tell you something. You need to follow the right person. You need to follow the right person in cryptocurrency that will teach you. See, the person must call price for you. Yes, it's calling you the price because of his value, he or her value. The person that is teaching you cryptocurrency, the person that you meet, the right person that you meet that's teaching you cryptocurrency is calling you price because of the value he have or she have in him or in her. That's what makes him or her to call that price. Now, if you want to be successful in crypto industry, you have to look for money and pay that person to teach you. Follow the person that know everything, that know a lot about cryptocurrency. Follow the person that know a lot about cryptocurrency. Let me tell you something. Some of this token you guys are buying, let me just shock you. Some of this token you guys are buying, you know that a lot of projects are coming out now, and let me tell you something. Some of these projects are going to what are going to last for 1 year. For 1 year, just 1 year. Now, let me tell you what people are doing now that you don't know. Now, all these sites you are seeing, all these projects you are seeing, some of them, do you know what they do? They build their programmers, they program their site, they know a lot about coin, about tokens, about blockchain. Now they know how to program a token and build it. They know how to build a token on a blockchain, on BNB blockchain, because BNB blockchain is very less to build token there than Ethereum. Now they build their token there. Now, do you know that when you are building a site, you will buy domain name. Now, do you know that some of these people, they don't have domain name from anywhere? And let me tell you something. Any site you have, any site you build and did not use domain name, that site is not going to last. It's going to last for 1 year. Now, some of these people then build this token to know if in 1 year they will make good profit. Some they have it in mind to close it, that after that 1 year the project will crash. Some people have it in mind that after that 1 year, if they make good money in it, they will do what? They will buy domain, and then they will upgrade their site, and their coin will become what? Original or legit. But for now, they are not legit. And now that they are not legit, if you are investing so much in it, you are on a high risk. You're on a high risk. So it's not all this token that will come outside now that you rush and buy. Let me tell you something. We have potential tokens, potential coin, potential token out there that you're supposed to take your money and invest into it. But you focus on shit coin, you focus on this one, you focus on that one, you focus on, because you take $1, you take $2, you take $5, and you'll be having 2 billion coins, 2 million coins. Because you use $5, you can use $5 and you be having 2 million coin, 2 billion coin. You now started calculating that in the next 1 year, if this coin even enter at price of 0 point even 1 cent, you be in billions, you be in millions. Hey God, it's because you are blind, you don't know what is happening. Assuming you have a little understanding about programming, how coding work, you don't know what I'm telling you, you don't know what I'm saying about. Those of you who have a little understanding about programming, about coding, you know what I'm talking about. Now you need to now see, let me tell you something. Some people come to my DM, they ask me that I should advise them, I should give them token that they can buy. I told them I'm not a financial advisor, but I can give a coin that have potential, that I personally invested in it. So if you make your own research and say that this token is good for you to invest in it. They are potential token. Now if I give them this token, they will start complaining that the token is very cost, that this token is $20, this one is $14, this one is $20. They will be complaining that this token is very cost. They have that money, but they want coin that, see, let me just, I told you guys before that one coin can change your life forever. One token can change your life forever. So it doesn't mean if I'm buying a token that have potential, it doesn't mean if I'm buying one coin, if you're using $30 to buy one coin, that $30 you are using to buy one coin, that $30 can change your life. That one coin that you buy can change your life completely. So you need to invest in potential coins and tokens. You need to invest in potential coins. Stop following crowd. That was the case with when I meet with somebody today, and the person explained to me how he invested $10,000 in what? In Plex coin. $10,000 in Plex coin, and this coin crash. Now we make research about this Plex coin. We found out that US charged them in court for scamming people. Like the founder, US charged the founder in court for fraudster, for scamming people. He said people were talking about the coin. That was the reason why he invested in the coin. People are talking about the coin. Is the reason why you invested in the coin. Why don't you invest in the coin? Because you make research about the coin and you know everything about the coin. You know that this coin will have potential. If you give me that reason, I'll know that this is a genuine reason. Then I'll know that okay, you make research, then you tell me what was the reason that make you to invest in the coin. The coin have potential. What makes it to have potential? It was this. Then if you explain to me like that, then I will know that okay, now the founder of this token, they have it in mind to manipulate things that will convince people that after this period they will scam people. Then I will understand with you that is the reason why, because you are not in the scratch of this project, and you don't know anything about them. So that's the reason why you are being convinced by them and become among the victim. It's very understandable like that. But you telling me that you invested in this token because people talk about, not because you make research. See, I tell people that if you want to come into crypto industry, if you really want to make money, profit into crypto industry, first invest in yourself before you invest in cryptocurrency. Do what? First invest in yourself before you invest in cryptocurrency. What do I mean by investing in yourself before you invest into cryptocurrency? First pay money, learn crypto trading, know everything about cryptocurrency. before you started using your $1 to invest in cryptocurrency, because if you don't do that, you'll be losing money. If you just count that, okay, now in cryptocurrency, that is, I'm talking about people that want to be daily traders. There are some people that they want to be daily traders. They just go on YouTube. They are learning from YouTube. See, let me tell you something. If you like learn on YouTube, learn as you want. You can't understand it. You can't understand the real thing there. You need someone that, as you are doing this. If you don't understand something there, you will ask him or her question. You will ask the person question that this thing I don't understand, this thing I don't understand. It's not everything like that you see it on YouTube. Where you are learning it on YouTube channel, if you don't understand something, will you ask them? If you ask them in the comment section below, it will take a very long time for them to reply, because they are always busy. They are always busy because they are always busy. Very, very busy. They are always busy. So you need to first invest in yourself. Invest in yourself before you invest in cryptocurrency. See, I don't want to go into this conversation so long, but in my next video, subscribe to my YouTube channel. In my next video, I will explain to you how I invested in myself before I invested in cryptocurrency. I've stopped school. I dropped out of university because of cryptocurrency, because I want to become a successful crypto trader. I dropped out of school and I invested in myself before I started investing into cryptocurrency. I pay money and learn crypto before I started buying crypto. Before I become a vendor, making money by selling coin to people, by teaching people, by trading, by doing this, making money on YouTube, become a YouTuber, doing this and doing that. I dropped out of school. Do you know what I did? Like, okay, now let me just brief you. Last year by this time, I dropped out of school. Because of what? Because of cryptocurrency. Now when I dropped out of school, do you know what I said? I said throughout this year 2021, I'm not going to resume to school. I spent 2 semesters outside. I spent 2 semesters outside. I said this year 2020, I'm not going to resume to school. I'm going to resume to school 2022. After I invested in cryptocurrency, now I will resume to school in 2022. But do you know what? I make money. I invested in cryptocurrency and I still have money with me. Now, this time, like yesterday, I went to fund my school portal, and I resumed to school. I'm resuming to school. Last year by this time, I dropped out of school, and this year by this time, I resumed to school. It was not my plan to resume to school by this time. It was next year. But crypto, make God provide that money through cryptocurrency, and I'm resuming back to school. So you see, you need to think. You need to sit down, call yourself in a mirror, call yourself and sit yourself down and talk to yourself. Advise yourself for financial things that you are doing before you start doing things astray, before you start mistaking. You start doing some mistakes, some crazy mistake, and doing things that you're not supposed to do. In my next advice video, I will explain to you the reason why I stopped school. I dropped out of school because of cryptocurrency. I just brief you. Okay, I just brief you. I'll explain everything to you in cryptocurrency. What makes me to drop out of school and come to crypto industry, invest myself in cryptocurrency. I'll tell you what was the cost and everything. Okay, so make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video and share my other videos so that people will benefit from it. And keep watch on my YouTube channel. I'm always exposing potential coin. Potential coin that if you invest your money there, before you know, the coin will change your life. Thank you very much.